Hi and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch and I'm on a course, a 4-week free online course called AI for ELT. Going to walk you through the course. First of all, we are under overview. As you can see, it's in bold and black. Next to that is week 1 with the introductions, and then week 2, week 3, and the final week. On the left, you can see the same things. In other words, this is a course index. With the overview, that's where I am right now. And then if I go into introductions, notice it syncs with that. And if I scroll down, I get all the information that's available under the introduction. And you can do that. Notice the green, that means that I have viewed these so far. There are also to do, which you will have to do. Once you do it, you'll also see it green here. It'll show done. Once, of course, you finish all the requirements, you get your final certificate. So let me close the left here and go back up to the menu and show you what else is available. This is actually a task. It's part of the introduction. And notice I'm there right now. Going to scroll down, and these are the activities. This is a support form. Each week has a support form. And then this is a live meeting. Instead of the live meeting here, you'll see the recording after we complete the meeting. And that's tomorrow. Hope you can make it. Over here is the presentation. I'm not going to click on it. I'll let you do that. And then this is information that you read and the introduction. Here you introduce yourself with Colossyan and you'll get more information on that. There are instructions, and then this is a glossary that you can add to. It's AI tools in education, and as I said, you're able to add to it by simply hitting the blue. And by the way, everything that's blue is clickable. So don't be afraid, click away. You can't do any harm. Notice you can pick up this as well and collect your stashes. It's a stash. If you click on add entry, you can add your own entry. They're done by alphabetical order, and there are various tools here. And of course, we would love to have yours. I'm sure you can think of a lot of them. Let's go back now. Now, how do you go back? You scroll back up and you go back into the section. These are called topic sections where you are. And then there's a Kialo discussion. You click on that and you enter, and I'll let you discover what happens next on your own. And then there is a forum here. Now, all the forums, and you can see the icon for the forum, are out of 100. So you don't get in between grades. You do the activity and you get 100. If you don't manage, you can ask questions as you go, whether here in the support form. Under that is the video tutorial I mentioned, where you do exactly what I'm doing using Colossyan. And Colossyan, you get all the pro features for the first 2 weeks. And after that, you join my team and you get the pro features as well. So you read what's here, and there's another pickup, and then you go on and you tell me what you see in week 2, and you'll be telling me about week 3 as you do the task in week 1, and then showcase and reflect, and then the certificate of completion. Now we're going to go to the right and see what's here. Notice what's here: the latest announcements, upcoming events, activities, and I suggest you subscribe to the forums. You can see them here, and you simply subscribe to them one by one. Also an area to add your comments, and then the completion progress, where you can see your progress. If it's not in green, it's not filled in green, it means you still need to do it, and you can see that I still need to do this one from week 1. You also get level up, and you'll get your badge of the week once you finish the tasks. And of course, there is a game and the stashes. And here we are once again. And this is where you will add, right here, you will add your video by going into Add Discussion Topic, add whatever title you want, and simply paste your video right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to learning with and from you in AI for ELT.